Your life will absolutely change after watching this video, after hearing the information that you are about to hear. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the one thing that you should do that will absolutely change your manifestation life and your life in general. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to book any of my services, all of the information is at ritakaminski.com or in the description down below. I intend for this video to absolutely change your life for the best, and with that, let's get into it. So a lot of y'all are manic manifesting, where you're not really thinking about what it is that you want. You're just going all in out of desperation because you think that your life is crap. And then you do like 1,000 techniques because you think that's what it's gonna take. And then you're consistently questioning, like, am I doing enough? Am I doing this right? Like, can I even manifest this specific topic? You can manifest anything. Yes, whatever you're doing is right as long as your self-concept is in check and you know that everything that you do is perfect. But most importantly, your life will change by you knowing that if you just close your eyes for 1 second and ask yourself, what is it that I really want? The first thing, don't look at all of them. I understand you have a lot of things that you want to manifest, and everyone does, and that is the norm. That's totally fine. But if you just close your eyes with me right now and ask yourself, out of all of the things that I want, what is the thing that I, number one, want really, really bad right now? The first thing should pop up in your mind. If it doesn't, just pick any of the desires that you are manifesting. Another exercise that I would give you is to write it down on a list. List it. The very first thing that you put down is more than likely the thing that you are prioritizing. I have spoken to hundreds of clients, and 99% of them have told me that yes, indeed, the very first thing that they told me about is the number one thing that they want to manifest, which makes sense, right? So I want you to recognize after that, right now, that it's okay that we're only manifesting one thing. We will come back to all of those other manifestations. They're not going anywhere. They're not going to run away from you. They are already yours. But you are going to be so much more powerful when you laser focus on one manifestation and one manifestation only for 3 days. Just for 3 days. Isn't that so much better than manifesting multiple things for months, years, right? Use my way and see how it works for you, because I can't imagine manifesting multiple things at once. I get distracted, and we're all living our lives at the end of the day. We're living our best lives. We're not freaking nerds just sitting in our rooms all day, every day, manifesting what we want. The purpose of life is to live it right now, no matter what your circumstances are, and make the best out of it. And also keep in mind that we are the controllers of our reality. So yeah, we're enjoying it now, but we know fully that it's going to change in a couple of days anyway, so it's fine. So I want you to enjoy your life. And most of the time for y'all, it's going to happen naturally anyways, because a lot of you people have responsibilities, school, family, whatever it is, right? So this is why this technique is super important. And it's not even a technique, it's you just shifting your focus from multiple manifestations to just one. Not just that, we're just picking one technique, which is robotic affirming, and we're just picking one affirmation, which is the one that resonates with you the most and is the most simple. So right now my affirmation is all my videos go viral. Really quick, straight to the point. That's all I'm focusing on, because I've closed my eyes and I, in my heart of hearts, realized that the thing that I really, really super want is a lot of views, which will lead to a lot of subscribers, which will lead to a lot of clients and course enrollments. So yeah, I want a lot of viral videos, plus it's just going to impact a lot of people for free as well. Like, it's just something that will impact a lot of my manifestations that are a really big priority to me. So I really highly recommend for you to just manifest one thing and consistently saturate your mind with one robotic affirmation. Keep it simple. I don't want you doing the 10-minute affirmation challenge. You don't even have to do sats or subliminals. Like, I just want to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. This will change your life, trust me, if you just throw everything out the window and robotically affirm as much as possible throughout the day for 3 days. One affirmation and one affirmation only when you're not busy, you will get your shit. I am so 99% confident of that. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.